Monday morning, Yasabe Biemun, somewhere a world of entertainment. I was here to be some more. And some no baby a shebia, no any dim, wadama, or see EBP, now who senia echo in the world of entertainment. Memma watching and more Badwam Ahosepe media so. Me amidi media which I mean the sisters. Stefano. Big up yourself, Stefano. Straight up 2 times a guy. Guys, me no. In the world of entertainment, in any days, won't mean yes, and I juada be an official Davy. Na kweka deck kame wakata. Yehu ana mesho for na mesasai. Ti aba ye nkonsem no, emwebi o ha wate. Ebi o ha won say the fella tokro bia mu no. Trust Ghana's entertainment prophets nkwada maame sem de besom. Na ye sha se wo se me start free me fie. Nsem ne de se wo me fie a. I was me start free ha say kutu say bam, say kutu say bam. Oh yeah be ma we do your ba, oh yeah oba. Mo hwe ne fe. Multimedia ni obroni ba ko pe. Aye Saliman. Na Sam Radio broni a wabeka dwumakuo ne ho a officially no yagina wa we to obiase ye nyina ye kan for they say other ayi for no munyina ye especially sa category no most fashionable TV icon of the year no sa category ye begies ye na so die mu adi wo multimedia ha say say fiap na my dress no de be mam and ho kwa be mu atna TV ho life and living it ya pa ho ntoma memne de twa mu memne da bia mo afidie ne na ha wo hwehwe kura hwe dressing ubenya styles assorto apempam yen hwe sene ye course so eye memne de twa mu. Enti say na etie say ya na e course wo wodofo ye be fa akwanye so ada Ghana fo ase samwaje pani age atum said the Adom TV de bebe bia musom wo fel so Ike bom Ghana fo bom fama wo no mo era se bebo yanto aso ya twansem na so a ma ye bo mo homoden ya na anika say ye be sum near pushie and now no fear de twa me no twetwe nkomo efa ma me ba ko a wo parliament a wo bone homoden and kind of feel the crying entertainment or they ka ho honorable Mavis Kuku Abisu asem na make to be very honest ma me Kuami Eugene da menti Ahanta West ho but won someone matting in actually say or bone homoden for somebody who is new in parliament for somebody or yet fresh in politics, doing this amazing thing, no, it needs applause. And see Isaac, Yembon Farmer Honorable Mavis Kuku Abisu for introducing Nukum Kasa, Ahanta language, you know, Sayen Franca languages, no. If you had a chair more, Mopa Hontoma, our municipal assembly, and him who Ahanta West on them. Now say and ordinance them to parliament and in Bientimbra.
Thank you for the opportunity to address this August House. on the urgent need to preserve, revive, and integrate the Ahanta language, known as Ayinda, into formal education system. This is a matter of not only cultural heritage, but also educational equity, linguistic justice, and constitutional fidelity. Mr. Speaker, like Ayinda, over 40 of Ghana's indigenous languages are now at risk of extinction, according to the language scholars. I'm an example of the dangers of that lie ahead if we fall as a country to document and teach our indigenous languages. Despite being born to an Ahanta father and mother, I did not have the benefit of being taught the language at home or in school. We had no books from which I could read my language, and traveling and living out of Ghana more than 25 years of my life had no reference point. I had no reference point to connect with my mother tongue. Today, like thousands of Ahanta people, I'm unable to speak the language. My children, too, have no means of learning it. As a member of Parliament of Ahanta West, I am determined as one of my legacies to change this. Mr. Speaker, Ayinda is a central Tano language within the Kwa branch of the Niger-Congo language family, spoken by the Ahanta people in the West.
And to say now, or presenting the case for Parliament, open the social media pages are more of it. I think say Honorable Mavis School Kuami on TikTok. When I am following Sheniema or and say Ahanta my for more quentu Muji Yengina, ya baby Sunyakasana. On that note, Honorable, my director, Mark Webber, also on my Ahanta West. It's ye tunkra, ye invitation. Now, I am experience was and more entertainment to be more casta, more culture. Now, we will be very pleased. See about Baby Trust and Manning in Egu, Adom TV. So, thank you so much, Antoine. So, Shatta Wale, I Ghana, Jum to Ni Cassia, I keep boom, pa. Yeah, no, yeah, it's much as a guy no carry egu, and a guy na che, isn't it? Maybe some was a Okasanyum to Ni carry a guam in Tiasi. What does it ya retchere? But also Shatta Wale carry egu. What does it here we are going? But also Shatta Wale carry egu. And you won't come, Sana, what they call Kuami Eugene, so they for Frono. That's what CNN, the biggest to ever do it. Yen she the entrance keke. And shepherd for pa. Shadia breast is here. I say, then you will cry no. The whole president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, good morning, sir. Mahama Pepper, your boy Mahama ni Mahama Pepper. A president, the whole president say Jami to Wale. It's one Jamia. Like what else? Shebres is an efferodo. Bajali, just a president, you know, a guy. They say we are here for now. We are guy, where Mahama dear. Because what they say, we are here for now, be a the president. No be a no Drew Ghana so. Niache say, yeah, your president, say John Dramani Mahama. Guy level. Oh, Papa ni a guy. Mumma, His Excellency. Yeah. Mobia me yezu. Mr. President American for Mobia me yezu. What eh? Mummy and Twasso. Me and my cousin. My cousin ya buy am a story. Young in Asante Achima Ogu. Yaa Jackson your friend wo. Na one son your name I miss a was status ni twadwuma. Was status a one run ho. Wo ye new ma wo PS wo ye. Na sa time no you underage. Oh. Ti bibia ni na obi e boni sidin. Eh Jackson K Bentum. No obi e boy Jackson K Bentum. Papa na dakura ni e boni din Jackson K. Me akwa me bobo ni di wa ha frɛ na. Se me cousin chiremu a wanyini. Mummo merade so odi mfia keka ne mfie ho bebre. Yaa Jackson ni. Awade nsemboni. Yaa Jackson chema mo bie misane si nimpon je K Bentum biem. Se wo bana den no wa sha atade we, wo bana den no ye se bi bia ni a direct messages to her. Ah, Yaa Jackson e ka say. Obe feel say meboa.
To me, that when you get close to me, I have a personal life that people don't know about it because I'm on me. Or can't say I might be righteous more than them. Let me say, me a religious grandpa. Sometimes sebi. Pastors I feel say. Sometimes you're telling me say, hey, Pastor, I say, but now can't be so be our and I saw be our Phyllis say, get away, they was say you, baby, cry, no, mean to me yet. Exactly, into a my show. Mama, that way, maybe everyone, home anytime. I don't have the black sheep, you can say whatever you want to me, but please leave the man out.
I wanted to ask you, but I thought,
I really wanted to answer.
Because your father recently.
Okay, you, Mammy, ever was it. Aye. The work and the yat by yemfa. You are the work carry, but ye pa yemfo, ye pa yemfa. You have a life, and now why they would the 200 almost work. If you have a life, they would say was so she and them months, so send you and no Nagana for work, many are back at wa. Eh? But one thing is for a fact, I won't mean take you away from Yaa Jackson is her talent. Girl is so talented, ma. I feel say you've underrated her. Forget it, Nina Waje channel. Ne voice. My catcher, ya could see Zion Fellis, Kumerica All Stars, could see Yaa Jackson part on a bra. Were you good? Name where you see Jan Horror. Oh. No baby sass and found so I can't say Miss Me and one. How are you, cousin? You're into one something so. Yeah, to you never paid in your major abo. When they say when you can DM, can comment section and say, yeah, why are you wearing this? Or also will be more than what woman. Fair, young and Saquon about tournament to both bus near Queen. Young to one seven so. Kuami Eugene. Oh, and some nana make a be new. They say more pa, ya Ghana for Numbino. I am beside me who the more Jeffrey artists no a honum. Shasa Moya yena we carry a gu, Kuami Eugene carry a gu, Kuami Eugene atonsum, wona pianishens you nasi on for lay. Hey, Gaia or no or more nyom cramp and nyom nam crum. Watch me, I'm on the trauma empress gifty. Unim nyom Kuami Eugene atro lyrical Joe enter. I'm on a Troy SIA production. And you more bob and you pure what about him, Kuami Eugene Cranny production. Some now more can I have boy no. Sawa tunes we had no call me a penny, Quaquedu Commissia was sempa, FM so over the weekend, and come on to change.
I am sure when people started tagging you, so now you're alone, and you're better from then they will mention names to support a. We am sure when people started mentioning those.
Not at all, when I'm danger. Me a man, because me, I'm say, hey, when I'm about Angela, confusion, wish me well. Kwani remix, Obiato, Open Gate, No Darling, Killing Me Softly, a dorsal, and it will take years. And son, we be because
you are always in the system.
Oh, dear, we are wedding, we are na bride ni gum ni be sabo so but if you put your body on me
yeah me na
what you say we never they carry last
yeah
ala aku if you leave me now your case
yeah nice yeah that song is one of my favorite songs. I'll tell you why.
Wait me oh I feel nice who better for me what you say
Safo ya show we na wose ma yam show na mo nye nsuo na wo tom no nsuo ne de onim nsumi obepi na mo hwanwom a wabobɔ so. This is what we call artists. Na Kuami Eugene no that na wada one so wow guy ni good o Ghana Justin Bieber nchana modern mumbo mano talented young guy sa energy na mo fampia artist no mo fo oh yeah ya won support yeah no one dey na like a flow try but ready say we cry won stream Ghana music oh yan to aso na Black Hole make history Black Sherif a wo call me school Kuami Academy eja ya bwa first na mpadu din ne ebo kumaka scholars no mudin bobo say pan the entertainment ya ne ebo edin ya bob Black Hole ne ebo sister Sandy bob man fa me hunjim hey asampa de ba fa hunjim Black Hole make history na se sani akeka kono wa ma ye gidie mu ahyeke na se ono any artist of Ghana obetimi afeli O2 Arena no because okobo show wo London I have a chance obetimi afeli O2 Arena you understand show okobo wo O2 Shepherd recently no Ghanaian se call ho me am cousin Yvonne Empress no kan ho wo chire mu asana omo have fun no chese sika omu chia ka omo ante ombetiti suno just omeye adwumaden asa akobiem akomumbo ma Black Sherif wan ko di assembly stage wan ko kasa na me be ready say performance na no de ma wo mo and Black they are really satisfied and Ghana dawase ye be me na ya dawase yo mo hwemra kakra na mento aso
O2 Shepherd's Bush Empire, day 1. So 1 out of 2.
Don't see the rest some of these niggas.
Not just a Ghana for show ne dia we ya omeba sa complain na mo say Ghana artist show abucha Ghana for me Ghana for ne guwe mo nsema Ghana ade no we ya na we ya ka omeba ne de ne fe energy show ni performance ni great show by all standards congratulations to Black Hole still rooting for you ko Ghana flag ni crowd busuya TikTokers so the ade chi ade sa de omo twan ne say obi be bibi say beba no matimi nya content no my nkwala we ba adokwa na me from one no medwa no so nice Sunday hwan na ya nkwala so Sunday hwan na ya nkwala so mo ya nkwala what that say omo ye omo memeke Black Hole o say no osu stage ya de o tim say no feel the moment no nti e media no beja